So we're out here plane spotting again and thinking about an article I read this morning about how next week is statistically the best time to buy a home. Here's why. One, quite a few homes tend to come on right in the beginning of the fall. That's just proven in years past. The numbers say we get an inventory surge right at the beginning of fall. Two, buyer interest is beginning to wane. We know school's in session, holidays are right around the corner. There's just not as many people wanting to move this time of year. So, in turn, it's a great time to buy. There's houses available, interest rates are good, less buyer competition. So, if you do need help, obviously I always put my website link right at the bottom of the post, so you can find that.